Hello everyone, welcome to another SEMRush tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to check competitor Google Ads campaigns in SEMRush. Now, before we get started, obviously you need to log in into SEMRush. If you don't have an account on SEMRush, you can get one for absolutely free down below, and you can get a free trial on SEMRush. Now, obviously, as you can see, what we're going to do is once you log in into SEMrush, go to the advertising section right here and go to advertising research. Now, if you have a free SEMrush account, you will be able to go here and search for at least one query a day, which is great. So as you can see, what we can do is we can search for positions. We can see the keywords here. We can see the traffic. We can see the traffic cost. We can basically break down our competitors' Google Ads. Now, as you can see, we can see estimated traffic. Obviously, SEMrush cannot give correct traffic, and the website that can give correct traffic is not usually correct traffic. Now, as you can see, paid search positions, you can see where they are promoting, what is the CPC, and also what is the traffic and the costs, and also the cost percentage as well. So you can see the volume as well right here, of people coming to the ads. Now, what's so good about this particular, SEMrush feature is that you can go to ads copies right here. Now, not only you can see their ads copies, you can also export ads copies so that you can model by what your competitors are already doing. Now, you can also see ads copies here. You have advanced filters, so you can include and exclude certain ads if you want. You can also see ads history right here. And as you can see, for this, you will need to go and, get opt-in for another plan on SEMrush. But you can see it, right? You can see pretty much everything right here, which is really great. You can also see the traffic costs. So for example, in September 20, they spent $800,000 on their traffic costs. So you can see that they basically you can get basically every single analytic for your competitors' ads basically. So that's just in a nutshell how you can check your competitors' Google Ads. Obviously, if you have questions, you can comment down below. And yeah, if you want to get a free SEMrush account, you can check it out with our link down below. And obviously, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, this has been it.